In the realm of networking and telecommunications, precision and reliability are paramount, and a punch-down tool plays a crucial role in ensuring seamless connections. Whether you're a professional network technician or a DIY enthusiast, having the right punch-down tool can make all the difference. Here, we explore best 5 punch-down tools renowned for their durability, ease of use, and effectiveness in terminating cables with accuracy. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 5. Vention KEC Punch-Down Tool. Featuring a sharp and wear-resistant blade, the Vention Punch-Down Tool not only ensures precision but also simplifies the process by allowing you to wire and cut off redundant wires simultaneously. Its double blade design with a removable blade offers practicality and convenience, making it adaptable for various applications. Whether you're dealing with patch panels or network modules, the punch-down impact tool from Vention is designed to handle it all. Thanks to its adjustable boost button, you can effortlessly toggle between high and low impact forces, ensuring seamless operation in any scenario. The anti-slip threaded ABS handle provides a simple yet durable construction, offering a comfortable grip for prolonged use. This humanized design makes intricate wiring tasks more manageable and less fatiguing. Worried about complexity? Fear not. The operation diagram included with the Vention Punch-Down tool guides you step by step through its functionality, ensuring you get the most out of every use. From network installations to telephone modules and patch panels, the Vention Punch-Down tool is your versatile companion for a wide range of wiring applications. Simplify your setup process with precision and ease. Pros: sharp and wear-resistant blade, removable blade, anti-slip threaded handle, adjustable impact force. Cons: plastic construction. Number 4. Onti MWC110-O Punch-Down Tool. Engineered to perfection for professionals who demand precision and efficiency. Let's dive into its key features. The MWC110-O features an impulse adjustment mechanism, allowing you to tailor the force with a simple twist, making cable terminations a breeze. It's a multi-function tool, compatible with 110 telephone distribution frames and network distribution frames. Its stainless steel cutter head ensures durability and sharpness, promising a long service life. Notice the rear storage room? No more worrying about losing cutter heads. It's designed for easy storage and quick access. The double-sided cutter head design allows for effortless replacement. Its high-quality material ensures optimal performance in removing excess cables, thanks to its high hardness and wear resistance. With a built-in spring design, the Onti saves you time and effort during prolonged use, while enhancing its durability. Whether you're setting up a new network or maintaining existing infrastructure, the Onti Punch-Down tool is your go-to choice for efficiency, durability, and precision. Don't settle for less when you can have the best. Ready to elevate your network installations? Click the link below to get your Onti MWC110-O Punch-Down tool today. Pros: impulse adjustment, durable, double-sided cutter head, efficient cutting. Cons: replacement parts. Number 3. Ampcom ADX318B Punch-Down Tool. Engineered with innovation in mind, this multifunction tool is designed to handle all your patch panel needs. Whether it's RJ45 or RJ11 keystones, the ADX318B adapts seamlessly thanks to its patented double cutter head design. Featuring sharp, durable blades and an adjustable impact pressure system, the ADX318B ensures precise cuts and punches every time. Its built-in high-strength spring maintains optimal performance without fatigue, making it ideal for repeated use. Crafted from high-quality ABS materials, the ADX318B is not only lightweight, but also built to withstand the demands of professional use. The non-slip textured grip provides comfort and safety, even during extended projects. And here's a game-changer: integrated tool blade storage for convenient and secure handling. No more worries about misplacing blades, as the ADX318B keeps everything in one place. Whether you're a seasoned technician or a DIY enthusiast, Ampcom's ADX318B Punch-Down tool delivers unparalleled performance and reliability. Make your installations cleaner, faster, and more efficient with Ampcom. Pros: multifunction, durable design, adjustable impact force, comfort and safety features. Cons: uncertain value, limited user reviews. Number 2. Ampcom ADX918B punch-down tool. Crafted from high-quality materials with a sharp blade and exquisite workmanship, the ADX918B is designed to last. Let's dive into its capabilities. Need to change the cutter? Simply switch to detach the punch-down head. Adjust spring force effortlessly by rotating the ring, ensuring optimal impact operation with every use. Punch and cut simultaneously with the double cutter head design, providing high accuracy termination. Whether you're inserting under multiple lines or hooking and lifting the wrong line, the ADX918B handles it all. Its U-shaped design allows for easy repunching of wires while protecting the terminal, and the blade type ensures clean cuts for excess cables. Built to last, the durable blade base and carbon steel dual ends make wire maintenance a breeze. Pros: multifunctional, adjustable, wire picking tool, carbon steel construction. Cons: brand recognition. Number 1. Ugreen NW252 punch-down tool. The ultimate tool for professionals and enthusiasts alike. Crafted from 40 SEER industrial-grade alloy steel, the Ugreen NW252 features a unique dual cutter head design. Whether you're working on network patch panels, telephone modules, or network modules, this tool is your go-to solution. The alloy steel double cutter head ensures precision and durability, making quick work of any task. Its sharp, wear-resistant blade guarantees accurate cuts every time, while the dual adjustable gears allow you to control the impact effortlessly. Inside, a high-strength steel spring provides unparalleled stability, reducing fatigue during prolonged use. Need to switch blades? No problem. The Ugreen features a rotating removable dual blade system for ultimate convenience. Worried about safety? The tool includes a concealed storage compartment to protect the blade when not in use, ensuring your safety and longevity of the tool. With an ABS injection molded handle that's textured for a non-slip grip, the Ugreen feels stable and secure in your hand, even during intricate tasks. Experience accuracy and speed like never before with the Ugreen punch-down tool. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a DIY enthusiast, this tool will exceed your expectations. Pros: multifunctional, durable, blade protection, stable design, comfortable grip. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech reviews and updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.